Indian economic updates. Elon Musk's Starlink has criticized Indian telecom operators, particularly Bharti Airtel, for pushing for artificially high and anti-competitive satellite spectrum pricing. Starlink claims that while these operators advocate for reasonable spectrum rates for their own satellite systems, they push for elevated prices for competitors like Starlink and Amazon. The dispute, part of a Telecom Regulatory Authority of India consultation on satellite spectrum, centers on whether spectrum should be auctioned or allocated administratively. While operators like Reliance Jio and Vodafone Idea push for market-based pricing, Starlink argues that such pricing strategies serve the interests of large telecom players at the expense of underserved rural users. Both sides are debating spectrum allocation terms in an effort to level the playing field. India's major cement producers have scaled back their growth forecasts for FY25 due to a weak first half impacted by extreme weather and reduced government spending ahead of elections. Initially projecting high single-digit growth, companies now anticipate mid-single-digit growth, marking a slowdown from the double-digit volume growth seen over the last 3 years due to government-led infrastructure investments. This year's challenges included extended heat waves, labor shortages during elections, and a prolonged monsoon, resulting in modest 3% growth in Q1 and flat to negative sales in Q2. Adani Cement revised its annual demand outlook to 4 to 5%, while Nuvoco Vistas reduced its estimate to 4%. Indians are increasingly shopping for luxury goods while traveling abroad, with a 250% rise in outbound spending on luxury items in Q1 of 2024 compared to 2019, outpacing all cross-border spending growth, according to Visa data. Other spending areas, such as fast food, restaurants, accommodation, and transportation, also saw significant increases. India's desire for luxury is reshaping outbound travel preferences. Companies like Thomas Cook India report a 20 to 25% increase in demand for luxury shopping experiences. Indian travelers are also exploring global art, and luxury retailers are offering exclusive experiences, with rising incomes and favorable exchange rates fueling this trend. Investors are closely watching the impact of Donald Trump's election as US president on Indian companies, particularly exporters. With Trump likely to impose tariffs on imports, including a 60% tariff on Chinese goods, Indian exporters may face challenges, leading investors to focus more on companies benefiting from domestic demand. Trump's economic policies could create trade tensions and affect capital inflows. While his victory boosted the dollar and stock markets, concerns about his stance on Ukraine, immigration, and climate change persist. His tariff proposals, mass deportation plans, and tax cuts may escalate trade conflicts and balloon US debt, while further dividing political parties on social issues.